Namaste, welcome to Home #Live. If you are looking for Diwali cleaning, home decor ideas, many tips and tricks and motivation, then this video is for you. You might have heard the term cleanliness is next to godliness, and this is true in every sense. Let's explore the answer to the query why we need to clean our home before Diwali or before any Shubh Karya we do in our home. Now, before I start, I have a few teeny tiny questions for you. How do you celebrate Diwali? Do you have a family tradition? Any special rituals you do during the Diwali festival? What special touch would you like to add this Diwali and carry it forward as a tradition every year to be passed on to generations? Let me know in the comments. I will share ours later in the video. My idea of Diwali cleaning is to enjoy the time with family and do something different, maybe stupid, just to create and cherish those memories always. Last time Diwali में तुमने ये किया था, उसने ये किया था, ऐसा हुआ था, you know, all sorts of memories we create. So I especially never want to feel overwhelmed by the cleaning task. If the home is not deep cleaned for a long time, then I like to divide the cleaning task among family members, or if no one is available, then I would like to hire some help but never overstretch and feel tired, being unable to enjoy the festival. Home cleaning and decorating before every Diwali is a tradition for us, and I know it is for you all as well who celebrate. We sit together and make some plans. I bring out the planner and start making the list, which makes my job so easy and fast. I have these two helpers like always, Bade Miya and Chote Miya, who always help me set the special Diwali wala mood at home. I hope you will enjoy watching this video and pick some ideas for your home to make your home Diwali ready. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Home #Live. So, let's get started.
मैं तब तक सबको साथ में ज्वाइन कर दूँ.
First, let me share a very quick and choti si Diwali wali shopping with you all. This year, we made a trip to IKEA and Home Center. वैसे तो year long we buy something or the other, but one shopping trip I like to mark as Diwali wali shopping trip when I buy things from my year long wish list. It gives a very different feeling when I combine the buy with the festival, making it a festive buy. See, one more memory created. These plates were out of stock for so long. Finally, I got them. I already had the cups and the bowls. Now it completes the set. Little things in life make our hearts so happy. This cake stand with a cloche to keep the sweets and snacks on the dining table. The cloche will help to avoid dust even if I am keeping the food on the table for entire day. This finials for the curtain rod. I got this Roman blind for our kitchen. We also got this new lamp to match the cane furniture we have in our living room. On Dhanteras, I like to buy some utensils to keep alive our year-long ritual. I note down the requirements and wait till Dhanteras every year. This year, I got this pressure cooker and a set of bhagona, or in Bengali we call it dekchi, which I didn't have earlier. I will start using them on Dhanteras. Today is Saturday. A few steps need to be taken to make our home look more put together. We wanted to add curtain tie-back holders on the wall for detailing. It gives a very nice decor touch. This year I did not have time to declutter during Diwali. Mostly I do that in every 3 months or so, but that special Diwali wale decluttering is not happening right now. I have plans to declutter things around New Year and I will share that video with you all. I always change curtains during Diwali. Not necessarily a new pair every year, just that old one will do wonders. I have a very clever tip to share with you all. Keep a few curtains specially for festive use. Do not use them throughout the year. Bring them out on special occasions like Diwali, Durga Puja. You will be amazed to see how those festive special curtains just set the festive mood in your home. Here is another tip to wash the curtains at home. I have shared in a video earlier. Take a hanky or rope and tie the eyelets together. Eyelets won't break, so we can easily clean our curtains at home without any fear. I got a new set of curtains for our newly made French doors. These are 9-foot curtains. Today is Sunday. Living room is the heart of the home after kitchen during the festive gathering. So we do give special attention to the living room and take it up for Diwali every year. After the house painting, we didn't put those decor and paintings back on the wall. We wanted to do this for this year's Diwali decor. Lot of drilling is going to happen and Saurav mostly takes care of that. When we do this festive special decor or cleaning together, I can feel a special bond as a family, as a team, relying on each other, depending on each other, feeling loved, that togetherness to the power infinity. Working together to help each other will make a world of difference in your family. Today is Monday. I have a good cleaning routine which I try to maintain throughout the year and that saves me from feeling lost during this festive cleaning. In the bedroom, except the wardrobe shelves and bed box, I don't have much cleaning to do. Already we have changed all the curtains on Saturday around the home and it took me a total 4 loads to wash them. Now I need to send them for ironing. All packed and ready. The bedroom is all dusted and done. I will change the sheet and cushion covers on Friday. Today is Tuesday and I'm all set to clean the kitchen. At this very moment, no deep cleaning needed. It was done right after our renovation work. I need to clean a few shelves which got dirty during hob cleaning. The dishwasher, fridge, appliances I have already tackled this month as per monthly cleaning routine. This door was looking so bare, and we found just the right Roman blind in IKEA. They have many different sizes to choose from. The fun part is I can wash the fabric when it gets greasy and dirty. Kitchen is all cleaned and ready to go. I will start making Diwali Pakwan from Friday or Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Since morning I was busy editing the video and other daily household chores. In the evening, we visited our local shops for Mitti Ke Diye. It felt so good to see this Diwali diya and decor around. Today is Thursday. I have soaked all the diyas in the morning for an hour and keep them under the sun to dry. Do you all do this too? Let me know in the comments. We will put the lights on the balcony, and if time permits, we will start putting up the lights inside the home too. This is the diya light which we use every year for our master bedroom's balcony, but I never really enjoyed it because the wall initially was here and lights were guarded. Now with the new glass doors, it will give an amazing view at night. Today is Friday and tomorrow is Saturday, Dhanteras. From tomorrow, we will be busy on deciding menus, buy the groceries, listing out games and whatnot. Then on Sunday, Choti Diwali, and on Monday, Diwali. Busy days are ahead, so today I want to change all the furnishings for the bedrooms, dining table and living room well in advance.
The biggest flower will go right on the top.
I showed you the cloche in shopping segment. Tongue twister. Cloche in the shopping segment, right? This will be the showstopper on our dining table this year. Diwali is about good food, good company and good memories. And all that will be happening right here around the table. I love to decorate the dining table by keeping all the practical functionality in mind because in our home this is the only large flat surface available. The cushions are from a place called the wardrobe, which is right in our bedroom. I use the trick here as well, just like curtains. I do not use these cushion covers except special occasions, and they set the whole Diwali Wali vibes instantly in the living room. Now our home is Diwali ready, done and dusted. Here is our Diwali rituals we follow in our home. We make gulab jamun, nariyal ke laddu, cleaning home together. We have a dedicated Diwali shopping time, decorating home after discussing with each other, painting diyas on Choti Diwali, playing Ludo or Uno or Tambola on Diwali night. In coming years, we look forward to adding a few more Diwali rituals for our family. Let me know yours too. I shot the entire week, what we did, how we did to share with you all. I hope you liked this video. Do share your valuable feedback in the comment section. I wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Have a memorable festivity with your friends and family. आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. शुभ दीपावली. 1, 2, 3. Happy Diwali!